Boo! I scared you. What's up, guys? Mitch here, Smoking Sots TV, and that's it. Tonight, Kuryakyn has once again come through for hooking up the Harley. Sportglide 2020. Not those bikes. That bike. What are we doing tonight? We are doing floorboards. I have the Heavy Industry folding floorboards, part number 7045, with the Splined adapters as well. And I got these in black. And the thing about Kuryakyn is they are actually on back order on the adapters. So I went to J&P Cycles. So shout out J&P, thank you for coming through, and ordered these. And actually still waiting for the passenger adapters to come in so I can put the passenger floorboards on. So tonight we are just doing the driver. That's me. Driver side floorboards. And I mean, the Heavy Industry line is a newer line from Kuryakyn, and it just came out. This is what they look like. I didn't want to go with the big fat heavy floorboards. I just wanted something more for support for me. And honestly, so I already did the left side. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. I already did the left side. I mean, just the profile on these things is fantastic. Chrome with some neuro lining in here, nice rubber foot pad. I had to adjust the shifter up about 2 inches so that my boot would fit. But that's it. Super easy, fast installation, not hard at all. Stock pegs. I mean, these are great. But here's the thing on the Sportglide. My wife sits back here. So we're going to have the floorboards actually come back here on this side for the passenger. And they're the same. They match. And, I mean, it just looks clean. With my bike, it's not black. It's actually River Rock Gray. So anyways, real quick, the parts I need for this, honestly, is a 1/4 inch Allen wrench, which I have on my little speed driver here. Kuryakyn sends you the bolts with blue Loctite already on there and a washer. That's it. I mean, easy peasy. So the adapter plus the floorboard is going on, and let's get right to it. You know, I really love everything that Harley puts together as far as parts for their bikes. You know, except, of course, the price tag. I mean, you get what you... I mean, honestly, you guys get what you pay for. And I love working on my own bikes. This is the first Harley I've owned, so we are going to get right to it. And pulling off that bottom piece is easy as 1, 2, 3. I mean, really, it's just it's really a no-brainer. Don't put this on the floor. All right, so there is a little tiny C-clip that's on the bottom of these foot pegs. That's right down here. So I'm taking a little eyeglass wrench, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop this little C-clip off. Let's go ahead and do that without scratching too much stuff. And you just got to watch when you take these things off that they don't go flying on your garage floor. And that's, honestly, guys, that's it. Little C-clip. And it's easy. So basically now, let me get the adapter. So here's what the adapter looks like, okay? On the Harley foot pegs, the stock ones, unfortunately, you can't take off this. It's manufactured, it's on there. It's done. It is what it is. So the adapters look the same way. However, the difference is now you have a splined backing here along the adapter, which is going to fit into the back of the floorboard. And you position it how you want it. So There's 3 different positions on these floorboards: forward, back, middle. I centered the other one on the middle, and I'm gonna do the same on this side. And of course, you know, go out for a ride, see how it feels. The pin that's in here is super easy, guys. All you got to do is just pop it straight out. And there is a it's under tension because of the spring wire that's inside. Take out the chingus. Take out the other OEM foot peg. And remember, if you don't remember the name of something, it's a chingus. It really is. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this back in the same way it came out. And so inside of these adapters and most foot pegs that actually flip up, there's a hole inside that you can set this spring in. This gets inserted into the hole into the main part of the bike, and then the other side of the spring gets put into the adapter. These parts, guys, I'll do my best at putting it in the description below. I mean, honestly, Kuryakyn's website is so easy to get through. You put in your make, model of your bike, and you're good to go. All right, so remember, this is under tension because it's spring loaded. So once you get the spring sat all the way inside, I can do that. All right, then you want to put it into place. Take your pin, stick your pin in where the spring's at. It comes all the way through. And then I'm going to take my C-clip adapter here and stick it right back on that little recessed portion that's on the pin. And I just use a set of needle nose pliers to snap it in there. No problem. And we are good to go. Works how it should. Okay, so like I said, they have this thing set up to where it's 3 different positions: front, middle, and rear. So for my liking, what I'm going to do is put it in the middle and see how I like it. I can adjust the brake pedal. As you can see, I also have a set of Linby custom highway bars that match the chrome look. I don't want to go all black. You know, I got really nice chrome accents on here with the River Rock gray. You know, blacking this thing out for me, not really an option. So now what I'm going to do to install this, I'm going to go ahead and flip it up so I can access the back portion of it. Like I said, the screw comes with a washer. So I'm going to put the washer over the hole, set the screw in there, just like that, if you can see. Let's turn that light down just a little bit. There we go. So I have the screw set in here in the middle, and I'm going to just fit it to place. That's it. Kind of in line how everything is. And just like I did on the other side, I got on the bike, I felt it to see exactly how it was that I wanted my foot position to be. And I don't have this thing tightened down all the way. I kind of want it in the position of how everything is kind of just sitting. I mean, you know, I'm going to sit on the bike real quick. Forgive me if I'm moving a little slow. I did just have surgery on my ankle, so. So what I did notice on this one is that this floorboard actually puts my foot too far forward and puts it right up against that brake pedal. So, because these things are so customizable, I'm going to take it off and remove it. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much the install. I mean, it's straightforward. I have 4 controls on this thing anyways. That's how it came, and I think it's great. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and move this bolt forward. And remember, anytime you guys are dealing with chrome, don't be an idiot. Have a towel laying down on the ground somewhere or your workbench, because you paid money for it. You don't want the stuff to get jacked. All right, this is being a pain in the ass right now. All right, so just go ahead and nice and easy. If you guys have any comments about any of my videos, I do have a video on the 2 Rogue Rider Industry LED lights I installed last week. Go ahead and check those out. Smokin' Sots TV, which is also our taco company. Oh yeah, much better. Much better position. Now the thing that I notice is I can look down, you know, like I'm looking down right now, and I can see this one move back and the other one's still up in place because I got that in the middle position. This is the forward position. And in my eyes, it's jacking me up. So I like how this feels. I like the position that it is. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten it down. There's no torque specs on these guys. Just hand tight, really. Remember, they have those spline teeth in there that actually hold it in place. And we're going to go ahead and tighten this one down. I'm going to move the other one to the other position. And that's it. Anyways, guys, this is Mitch, Smokin' Sots TV. Lots of love to everyone out there, for everyone watching. Remember to like, dislike, I don't care, either one. Subscribe, throw me some love. Help my channel out. Appreciate it. This is Mitch signing off. Later.